Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and never miss an update from Latestly.
Here we step up to the edge, and we're not afraid to fall. We found ourselves and lost our heads, going down like waterfalls.
मेरे साथ एक शख्सियत ऐसे आज ज्वाइन कर रही है इस शो पर. Her smile, her $1 million smile is enough to transport us into the world of magic, movies, art, dance, acting, everything. Joining me now, the super diva, the superstar, and now the singing sensation herself, Madhuri Dixit Neli. Thank you so much.
Thank you. धन्यवाद कि आपने मुझे अपने शो पे इनवाइट किया. And I'm very happy to be here.
Thank you so much. और ये एक बात मैं यहाँ पर दोहराना चाहूँगा कि we have been talking about this, especially about the lockdown phase. And Madhuri, you have been talking about, as opposed to other celebrities who are talking about challenges this particular phase has been posing, but you have been talking about creativity,
Yes.
which is a welcome change.
Yeah, absolutely. Because this is the time when you can be creative. A lot of people complain अपनी जिंदगी में कि वक्त नहीं मिलता है ये करने के लिए वो करने के लिए. अब कंपल्सरी वक्त मिला है. So what are you going to do? Do something constructive. Don't think कि अब बहुत टाइम घर पे बैठे हैं. If you start thinking like that, then it starts playing up on you.
True.
So find ways, creative, find ways to deal with the situation, find ways to keep yourself occupied.
How did this idea come about, Madhuri, that you must stretch your vocal cord and give this beautiful message to the world, where we can talk about hope, where we can talk about integrity, where we talk about coming together and fighting this pandemic that has enveloped the whole world?
Well, it started, this journey started in LA for me. There's a person called Sad Bisla who is in charge of A&R worldwide. And he's the one who encouraged me. He heard me singing. And he says, why don't you sing? You have a beautiful voice. And we thought, okay, let's try it. Let's do it. And we went into a studio, and I was always passionate about singing. In school, I was always on stage in school, whether it's for singing or dancing or drama or any cultural thing, I was there. So we went into a studio and we decided to do a song with Narendra Singh, who's the producer, and Michael Oakes, who's written the words. And we thought, what do we write about? What do we sing, about? And I thought that I like positivity in life, and we should talk about how when you're engulfed in troubles from all sides, जब हमें सब कठिनाई घेर लेती है सब जगह से, तो उसे उभरना कैसे है. तो you have to reach out within yourself. ये अपने आप से बात करनी है तभी कि एक चिंगारी जो है, or that spark, you have to discover that spark and ignite it into a fire and say, I'm going to be strong and I'm going to overcome this. And I'm not going to get bogged down by anyone. मैं किसी से हार नहीं मानने वाली हूँ. I'm going to win. तो ये था, और हमें ऐसा लगा कि कैंडल is a great symbol for positivity और hope. क्योंकि आप जब भी कैंडल जलाते हैं, उसकी रोशनी बहुत ही खूबसूरत होती है. It's very warm, और एक सिक्योरिटी की फीलिंग आती है जब भी आप कैंडल जलाते हैं, दिया जलाते हैं. तो हमें लगा कि ये मेटाफोर बहुत अच्छा रहेगा, और हमने ये गाना बनाया. आज जब वी आर इन अ सिचुएशन, आई लुक अराउंड मी, ऐसे लगा कि हर इंसान इस दौर से जा रहा है. वह उसे ऐसे लग रहा है कठिनाइयां इतनी है कि हाउ आर वी गोइंग टू ओवरकम दिस, व्हाट आर वी गोइंग टू डू, अनसर्टेनिटी, हार्डशिप्स. तो उसमें एक पॉजिटिविटी देनी चाहिए लोगों को, एक पॉजिटिव फीलिंग की डोंट वरी, थिंग्स आर गोइंग टू बी ओके, यू कैन बी स्ट्रॉन्ग, यू जस्ट हैव टू बर्न लाइक फायर. जो कैंडल अगर आप इसमें रखें, चाहे हरिकेन में रखें, चाहे तूफान आ जाए, ये कैंडल बुझने नहीं वाली. इट्स गोइंग टू बर्न ब्राइटर. ये जो मैसेज है वो बहुत खूबसूरत मुझे लगा, और मुझे लगा दिस इज द टाइम व्हेन वी कैन गिव दिस मैसेज टू पीपल फॉर पॉजिटिविटी. लेकिन हमारा हर्डल था इसे पिक्चराइज कैसे करें. गाना तो है हमारे पास, पिक्चराइज कैसे करें. तो घर पे ही पिक्चराइज किया. मेरे जो हस्बैंड है राम, ही बिकेम द कैमरामैन, और मैं खुद
He's wearing multiple hats for sure, right? He's wearing multiple hats for sure.
He wears multiple hats, and he's up for anything. मतलब he's someone who will adapt, change, do stuff. तो बहुत लोगों से बात की हमने कि कैसे करना है लाइटिंग. Then we went to YouTube, वहां से फाइंड आउट किया कैसे लाइटिंग करते हैं वगैरह. और वैसे सब करके हम लोगों ने शूट किया गाना. And there's a story we want to tell through this song. तो वो स्टोरी हमने ये की, और we thought it would be great if we could pay a tribute to the frontline workers जो अपनी जान खतरे में डाल के हमारे लिए फ्रंट लाइंस पे हैं, जो काम कर रहे हैं वहाँ पे, जो अपने फैमिली से दूर हैं और हमें हेल्थी और सेफ रखने के लिए जो कर रहे हैं. तो उनके लिए ये वी शुड पे अ ट्रिब्यूट टू देम. तो वही किया हमने, और आई थिंक पीपल हैव इट हैज टच्ड अ कॉर्ड विद पीपल.
It certainly has. It certainly has, Madhuri. And I must reiterate the fact here to all my audience, the fact that it's always easy to have a chat with Madhuri. And this is a fairly long assessment and a long sentiment, so stay with me. And I said that because no matter what language I use, language has never been a barrier to chat with you. If I put a question to you in English, that comes a reply in the clip British American accent. अगर मैं हिंदी में बात करूं तो आप शुद्ध गाडी हिंदी भी बोल लेते हैं, आणि जर का मी मराठीत बोललो तर पटकन मराठीत रिप्लाय येतो.
Yeah, one has to be multilingual today in this world. Or I'm trying to learn Spanish because my kids learn Spanish. So
hablo español.
Yeah, habla español. Yeah. Como estaba? So anyway, so I'm trying to learn. So एक सब आनी चाहिए भाषा.
Madhu, I must ask this question to you as well, that how do you manage to keep this innocence alive within you? And that is palpable even in your voice.
I don't know. This is the way I am. I think I'm very curious about everything. और कभी मैंने ऐसे नहीं feel किया है कि oh, I have achieved a lot. Now I am, ऐसे I feel very funny when even somebody says that about me, I feel very embarrassed. So for me, it's like I do what I love, and that's my art. Whether I act or I dance or now I sing from my heart. I do everything because I'm passionate about it and I love it, and that's why I do it, and I enjoy doing it. Or beyond that, if I can make people enjoy what I'm doing, then that's fabulous.
Beautiful message you crafted on Facebook when this song was launched. That you were happy, you were excited, but you were a little nervous as well. What made you so nervous?
Well, it was something new that people had not seen me do before. I think the first time I sang in English in front of people was during I for India. जहाँ मेरे बेटे ने piano बजाया and I sang perfect. That was the first time people, and they were like, "My God, you sing in English? We didn't know that." And I was like, in school, that's what I did in school. I used to sing in English all the time because we went to English medium schools, and that's what we did. I always used to be on stage, dancing, singing, drama, anything. I was on stage all the time. So when you do something for the first time, of course, there are butterflies. It's like giving your first shot of your, career, or the first time you go on stage, you're receiving an award, you don't know what to say, you're fumbling for words. So वो वैसा एक butterfly in the stomach होता है, and that's what I was feeling.
You're talking about this particular single, and the accent, the intonation, everything is in place. Not a single note is out of place. I must ask this question to you, Madhuri. I mean, you were right at the top of your career when you moved to the US, and then you wore the hat of a homemaker, of a mother, and then acquiring that accent, adapting to that environment, coming back to India then. And then try to neutralize the accent at the same time, and going back to the accent again for this song to make it look so universal. How did you do that?
Well, I'm an actress, right? You put me in any role, I should be able to do it, right? If I'm speaking in Hindi, then I'm speaking in Hindi, in proper Hindi. If I speak in Marathi, it should be proper Marathi. So if I am singing in English, it has to be proper. The intonation should be correct. So I had even trained with a vocal coach called Ron Anderson, who has coached Whitney Houston, Mariah Carey, Ariana Grande, Weeknd, lots and lots of people. So I went to him and I had a voice coaching with him. And then we went into the studio and we recorded the song. So even the dialect, that should be correct. The way I pronounce the words should be right. They should sound good. So all those things, we train for that.
When you're number one, and you have been this undoubtedly number one actress, when you're number one, everybody wants to be you, right? So how do you keep yourself in that position in terms of energy, enthusiasm, and relevance? How do you stay relevant?
Well, you have to always be curious in life. You cannot rest on your laurels. You have to always look forward. And I've always looked forward to doing something new or creating something new. Like I created my Dance with Madhuri, which is, you know,
A
an
digital platform for dancers, yeah, for
platform
the
for
craft.
dancers. Yeah, and that was something new that we did. And I was talking to my husband, and I said, I enjoy dancing so much. I want every house to enjoy that. So he said, that's very easy. We can do it. And that started the conversation. And then we went on to make it happen. Because he's good. He's very strong with technology. So we kind of got together. And so doing new things, exploring yourself, trying to find new ways of doing stuff. I think when you challenge yourself all the time, then you have to rise above every time, when you take the challenge. And that's what keeps you going, and that's what keeps you happy, makes you a little bit of anxiousness is good, when you're doing something new.
As I said earlier, the visuals are quite striking, and we know the beauty of images, the power images hold. And there are images that are shown in the song where the lockdown is imposed. The
Yes.
song also has you featuring you, so the beauty side of the song is also covered. But what was racing through your mind, Madhuri, when you were humming those beautiful words?
Well, exactly what's happening around me. I mean, what's going on today, not only in India, all over the world. I mean, there's not one country which is not going through this phase. And that is exactly what was going through my mind, and that is exactly what I was singing to. It's very important to be in the moment and to be able to express that moment of what's happening. And the song lyrics and everything are expressing that. So I just had to sing it with my heart, and rest is there.
What role does the vocal artist play here, vocal coach rather plays here? Tell us about it. I mean, did he get you
So
prepared?
training your voice,
Yeah.
training you to hit the right pitches, training you to how to adjust your voice up and down, and how you can go through the different octaves, and how you pitch your voice, and those kind of things is what a vocal trainer does.
Did you look up to any singers while you were growing up, even when you're performing in movies in Bollywood? Did you look up to anyone?
Yeah, in Bollywood, of course. I mean, there's Lata Bai, there's Asha Bhosle. I mean, they are the ultimate, both of them. Then there are, today there's a lot of singers who are fabulous, like Shreya Ghoshal, who is very versatile. There is Neha Kakkar, who sings very well. There's Richa Sharma, whose voice is like, the earth. I always think of earth. Or Niti Mohan, which is like a very young, beautiful voice. So a lot of voices which I love.
The fact that you are so good at dancing, as I in my last interview I said you dance like a dream. So dancing, does that help because you're always in sync with music, the tonality of the message that you're conveying with your song? So does that go in sync? Does that flow in sync, dancing and singing?
Yeah, absolutely. Because of course, for movies, the playback singer sings for us, and then we emote, on screen. So there, the voice is not that important because you're not singing. There's somebody else who sung, but the expressions become very important. How you express what has been sung, and so there, the physicality of the whole thing is very important. How your face moves, how your hands move, how your body moves. But when you're in a studio and you're singing, then it's your voice. It's like when you're acting, your voice is very important when you act, because the intonations and inflections in the voice will convey the emotion.
Absolutely.
Similarly, when you're singing, the inflections and the highs and lows in your voice, and the way you say the words, those are what kind of bring out the emotions of what you're doing. And so there, the voice is the most important thing. And that's that's the center of your focus. Like, that's the focus in a studio.
Most actors tell me that after having performed a particular role, especially when it revolves around a particular theme that affects society or the world in general, they feel quite liberating. Your song is about the reality that we face today, the challenges that we're facing today. Was it liberating at the end of it? After hearing this song, you felt liberated for having done what you have done?
Yeah, I mean, it's not only a sense of liberation, but it's also a sense of reaching out to people. Reaching out your message, saying that it's okay, stay positive, we can come out of this, and that assurance which should reach the people. And once I realize it has reached the people and the way people are reacting to it and talking to me about the song, that's when you really feel satisfied that what you did was understood by people and they are reacting to it.
How's the family reacting to it?
Well, yeah, my sons had heard the song and we picturized it in the house downstairs. And so we were like, can you give us your opinion? And we showed them the song. So there were some visuals which my kids felt, this visual is coming too soon. Maybe it should come a little later. Or this is coming too soon. And then there's nothing happening. And then, so they are like, you talk to them nowadays, all the kids, they know about scripts and stories and how they should flow. So yeah, there were few tips we took from the kids as well.
मतलब एक्टिंग, डांसिंग, रियलिटी शो होस्ट और अभी सिंगिंग भी, कोई भी ऐसा डोमेन नहीं है जहां पर आपने छोड़ दिया, जहां पर मतलब सभी जगह आपने मतलब you have occupied all the corners.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, बहुत सारा करने को है बाकी. I've never been to the moon. The more you think about it, I think there are things you want to keep doing in life. You want to go ahead. You want to, like I said, keep challenging yourself, and that's what keeps you going, and that's what makes you excited about life.
ये गाना है होप का, ये आशा जगाता है, एक certain kind of energy that flows within you once you start listening to the lyrics as well as start getting the tune of this song. Is there any other song that comes to your mind? आपके जहन में आता है जब होप की बात होती है? कोई हिंदी सॉन्ग आपके जहन में आता है, आप गुनगुनाती हैं जब आपको खुद को अंदर से चार्ज होना है या इंस्पायर होना है?
एक बहुत पुराना गाना है, शायद लोगों को पता भी नहीं हो. I don't know if the generation today will know. एक वंदे मातरम करके गाना था, गीता बाली जी गाती थी फिल्म में. वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम. तो उसमें कुछ एक एनर्जी आती है. फिर बाद में रहमान जी ने एक वंदे मातरम पे गाना बनाया, which is like you hear it and you feel that energy, जो अंदर से जगती है. तो these kind of songs always give you that power, कि हम कुछ कर सकते हैं, और so these are the songs that are coming to my mind right now.
Absolutely. Thanks a lot for talking to us, but we are not going to let you go without humming a couple of lines from this beautiful song of yours. The audience will be really happy to see you stretch your vocal cords.
Okay. Here we step up to the edge, and we're not afraid to fall. We found ourselves and lost our heads, going down like waterfall.
Burn, I don't know how to put this. Burn may not be the appropriate phrase here, may not be the appropriate word here, but glow is the word for you, Madhuri. Keep glowing the way you do, with your acting potential, with your dancing craft, as well as with your singing now. Thanks a lot for
Thank
talking to us.
you.
And thank you so much for doing this.
Thank you so much for having me.